Hello, hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So, I actually got that penny booster to work. I also stacked it with my 7 back when you spend 25 and a paper booster to make this an $8 money maker. So, it is working. And I did this on Friday, the 24th over at Walgreens. I went in store as I had the paper booster, and it's working beautifully, guys. Dive into the math, if I could ask for one teensy little favor, if you guys could give this video a big thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out with the channel and helps me out as well to know that you love this sort of content. Yesterday around 4 o'clock-ish, 2 different boosters showed up. You're either going to get one or the other. A lot of us got this one, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend a penny, or this one, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend a penny. Valid from right now, right till the 1st of March. The easiest way to utilize this booster is to buy something super inexpensive in the store. So we're going to look at this on 2 different avenues. First avenue would be to grab something very cheap like a piece of candy at checkout and buy that. Obviously for 33 cents, you can't roll any Walgreens cash. So pay the 33 cents out of pocket and then you would get either $5 of Walgreens cash or the $10 of Walgreens cash. To also let you know that this booster is of a one-time use and it expires on March the 1st. So we have a week to play with it. And like I was saying in yesterday's video, the Kenny Rogers Gambler, I wanted to stack it with something else to make it very significant, to make my money stretch just a little bit further. And I have been like bad weather, snowed in for most of this week, so I couldn't even get out to Walgreens, and I didn't even want to put a curbside order in because they cancel it after 3 days, and the weather's been quite dreadful. I think most of Michigan is either in an ice storm or a snowstorm right now. So I could sneak away today because the roads were okay, but I actually stacked something. This is what I envisioned, and I only had this by luck because the weather's been so bad. So thank you, Mother Nature, for this great Walgreens deal. The 7 back when you spend 25, I believe, expires today. So the one in the center. The penny, spend a penny, get $5 of Walgreens cash, the one on top. Most of us got that one yesterday. And then I had one that was also expiring today of spend 40, get $9 of Walgreens cash. That bottom one must be scanned in store. But if you wanted to use the top 2 and do a deal, an extra $9 you would pay or less savings, I mean, by all means. But the best way to make this deal happen is to actually walk in the store and to buy all these items. And as they're sales items, the curbside price to the in-store price, same thing. I made a video earlier in the week about the shaving items, and that's exactly what I grabbed in the store, and it was like $20.50 of shave items. So the Intuition, the Skintimate, and the Skintimate Shave Gel or Cream, the 2 Dove body washes, and the 2 Palmolives. All of these products are giving back Walgreens cash. 5 for the razors, 4 for the Dove, and then 3 for the Palmolive. So I wanted quite the money maker, and that's what I accomplished. As I'm using that booster of spend 40, get back 9, this is roughly, I think, like $40.45 of merchandise. So I counted it to the penny. Hey friends, let's just go through what I got in the store. 2 of the Dove body washes at $7 a pop, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, and we loaded the 7 off 2 digital. The old packaging has 2 ounces more of body wash. So the one that's a cone-shaped body wash, that's the one that you're going to want to grab. The next item that I grabbed, I'm trying to get $20 of shaving cream to get $5 back of Walgreens cash. I grabbed one of these Skintimates, loaded that dollar coupon. Grabbed one of these Chic Intuition razors, a fancier one for $9.99. And $4 digital, I loaded it. Grabbed a disposable razor for $6.99 and then loaded our friend, which is a $4 digital coupon. I also grabbed 2 of these guys for $2.99. Earn $3 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So looking at the mathematics for my basket, 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, 1 Chic Intuition for $9.99, 1 Chic disposable for $6.99, 1 Skintimate for $3.49, and 2 Palmolives for $5.98. My grand total is $40.45. At this point, I got the cashier to scan my paper booster. Plus, I had my spend a penny, get back 5 and spend 25, get back 7 boosters loaded. Now, I had also $16 in digital manufacturer coupons loaded. All of those melted off right away. I had to pay $24.45 plus tax with my debit card. And then I got back $33 in Walgreens cash, $21 for the boosters, $4 for the Dove, $5 for the Schick, and $3 for the Palmolive. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards as you're using boosters with this deal, and it will mess everything up. And this shave deal is also on a spend offer, so you can't. But what a sensational deal. This was like an $8.55 moneymaker, and I'll take that all day, every day, and like 3 times on a Friday. Okay, guys, before I take off, I just wanted to tell you I posted the matchups video that will be starting on Sunday the 26th. Visit this video. I'll link it right here if you wish to see next week's deals. And as that penny booster does not expire until next on the 1st, which is a Wednesday, you know, it's going to apply to some of these if you want to just hang on to it and be like a Kenny Rogers gambler and just know when to hold it. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.